Good morning student. Today we see about structure of DNA. Do you know DNA? Already we studied it is a genetic material. Okay. It is found in nucleus. Okay. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Okay. DNA is the hereditary material as it contains the genetic information. It is the most important constituent of a chromosome. The most widely accepted model of DNA is the double helical structure of James Watson and Francis Crick. This is double helical structure of DNA. Okay. They proposed the three-dimensional model of DNA on the basis of X-ray diffraction studies of DNA obtained by Rosalind Franklin and Maurice Wilkins. In appreciation of their discoveries on the molecular structure of nucleic acids, Watson, Crick, and Wilkins were awarded Nobel Prize for Medicine in 1962. Okay. Next we see about chemical composition of DNA molecule. DNA is a large molecule consisting of millions of nucleotides, hence it is called a polynucleotide. Okay. What is nucleotide? A nucleotide consists sugar molecule, nitrogenous base and phosphate group. In nitrogenous base, it consists two types of nitrogen bases. Okay. One is purines and another one is pyrimidine. Okay. Purine consists adenine and guanine. Pyrimidine consists cytosine and thymine. Now we see a nucleotide in a DNA. Listen. One nucleotide. What is one nucleotide? Listen, already we studied what is that sugar molecule and this is called T for thymine, A for adenine. Okay. This is nitrogenous base. Then another one is what? Phosphate group. Okay, listen. You see one nucleotide consists, this is nitrogen base, sugar and phosphate group. This is called one nucleotide. Okay, understand? Next, nucleoside and nucleotide. What does nucleoside consist? Nitrogen base or nitrogenous base plus sugar. Okay, in nucleoside consists nitrogen base plus sugar. Listen, nucleoside consists nitrogen base plus sugar. Okay, nucleotide. Listen, nitrogen base, sugar and phosphate. Okay, then we can say it nucleotide consists nucleoside plus phosphate. Nucleoside, what does nucleoside consist? Nitrogen base and sugar. So we can say it like that, nitrogen base, sugar and phosphate we can say, or otherwise we can say nucleotide consists nucleoside plus phosphate. Understand? Yes. Next we see structure of DNA or Watson and Crick model of DNA. Okay. Listen, see this. DNA molecule consists of two polynucleotide chains. Okay. This is, listen, you see carefully. Listen, this is one polynucleotide chain. This is another polynucleotide chain. Okay. And these chains form a double helix structure. Okay. Two polynucleotide, how it is forming? Double helical structure. Okay. It is a ladder like. Okay. With two strands which run anti-parallel. Okay. Anti-parallel. Parallel structure. Okay. Nitrogen phase or nitrogenous phase in the center. Okay. This is guanine, cytosine, adenine, thymine. This is called nitrogenous base linked with, listen, this is called, okay, this is here it consists sugar and phosphate groups are consisting. Here also sugar and phosphate groups are consisting. Okay. Nitrogenous base in the center are linked to sugar phosphate units which form backbone of DNA, which is called backbone of DNA, sugar and phosphate. Next, how is nitrogenous base pairing? Okay. Pairing between the nitrogenous base is very specific and is always between purine and pyrimidine linked by hydrogen bonds. Okay, listen. Adenine. Okay, links thymine. adenine links thymine with two hydrogen bond. Listen carefully. Two lines are there. This is hydrogen bond. Okay. Then cytosine. Cytosine link with guanine. Okay. With how many hydrogen bond? 3 hydrogen bond. Listen. 1, 2, 3. Listen. 1, 2, 3. Cytosine join with 3 hydrogen bond. This is called complementary base pairing. Like that it is always pairing. Okay. G join with C. C join with G. A join with T. Okay. T join with A always. Like that. This is called complementary base pairing. Hydrogen bond between nitrogenous base make the DNA molecule stable. Okay. What is the use of hydrogen bond? It is the stable. Okay. DNA molecule should a stable condition. Okay. Then another thing is very important. 110. 110 means what? Each 10. This is 110. 110. This is another 10. Okay. 110 consists what? 34 Armstrong length. Okay. 110. Here is starting and end here. This is called 110. Okay. Start here. End here. Okay. This is the length is 34 Armstrong or otherwise in nanometer 3.4 nanometer. In that 110 it consists 10 base pairs are present. Okay. In that here start and here finished it consists 10 base pairs. What is that? Base pair means nothing but G, C, C, G and then A, T like that 10 base pairs are forming. 110. The nucleotides in a helix are helix like this is ladder. Okay. In nucleotides in a helix are joined together by a phosphodiester bond. Okay. How it is formed? Phosphodiester bonds. Now you see this picture in book. Okay. Listen. This is called structure of DNA, chemical composition of DNA molecule. Then next this is nucleotides in a DNA. Okay. Sugar, nitrogenous base, then sugar, phosphate group. Okay. Listen. Watson Crick model. Okay. Understand? Do you understand, student? Thank you.